These are chives, but they've been neglected and they're overgrown. But if cleared out, they will come back every year. These chives are receiving full sun and cohabitating with mint and lilies. Okay, we're going to collect some chive seed. So you just take a bucket and you can snip off the heads here. Just cut them into the bucket one by one, or however you want to do it. You can snap them off with your fingers, or however. Just don't tap them while you do it, because you want them to fall into the bucket. And I can already see the black seeds flying out of these little seed pods. We'll just collect a few more. There's quite a few here, so and we'll be saving these until spring. They're already dry, so you don't have to worry about that. It's been a very dry summer, so. Alright, that's enough for starters. Okay, we got the seeds in the bucket, so just give it a good shake like that, and then we can separate the seeds, and you can see the black seeds have now separated from the little heads. Now you can be more meticulous and get every last seed if you want. Okay, this is what we got here. These are all individual seeds, and so each one of them is a seed. And oh, there's even a little spider in there. We'll take him out. Not literally take him out.